beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogwebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this coconut candy. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So I'm starting this from the scratch so everybody will follow. This is my coconut. I'll go ahead to break it. My hubby helped me to break the coconut. Next, I transferred it into a bowl and I'll be removing it from the shell. Please, when doing this, be very careful with your hands and the knife, okay? So I'll go ahead to remove everything carefully. So after removing it, this is all I got, and I'm going to continue doing this till I am done. So I'll transfer it into a bowl, wash it properly till it is clean. Next, I'll go ahead to grate it. I'm using a smaller grater here. You can use a bigger size of grater. Just do you. So I'll go ahead to grate until I am done grating. So this is what I got while grating. I'll continue until I am done grating. So I'll set this aside. Moving on, in my pan, I'll heat up my pan a bit and I'll add in about ½ cup of sugar. So I'm going to stir this on a low medium heat until the sugar dissolves completely. So if you check, you will see the sugar is dissolving. Please do this on a medium heat, okay? Because if your sugar get burnt, you wouldn't like the taste of your candy. It will be bitter. So I went ahead to add in a little bit of salt. Will continue melting, and next I will add in my grated coconut. So we're gonna stir this till you get a brown consistency. Please be careful not to burn your candy. If not, you wouldn't like the taste. Thank you, amazing people, for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected. So after everything, I'm gonna mold it. Feel free to mold it to any shape of your choice. Okay, so this is how to do the soft one. This is a bit soft. You use less sugar and more coconut, and this is it. The strong one, you use more sugar and less coconut. Okay, and this is my final look. The taste was amazing. Try this recipe and let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye.